Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by creating the note and naming it for clarity. This anchors the checklist. Next, add 3 to 7 high-level tasks as checkboxes so you have a visible scope. Once done, attach a single timestamp or due date, 2025-11-30, so priorities align. Make sure to include one context tag or short label for searchability. You want an actionable skeleton now, not detailed steps. That comes next, and it keeps momentum moving immediately. You now expand each top-level item into concrete substeps so execution becomes simple, 2 to 5 actionable lines per task. Use short command words, call, draft, schedule to trigger immediate action. Once done, label urgency with symbols like asterisk for critical or, for dependency. This visual hierarchy speeds decisions. Make sure to include times, for example 3:00 p.m., and a one-line note explaining why each substep matters, because motivation and clarity reduce procrastination. You finish by reviewing the whole checklist, marking finished items, and estimating remaining time so you can plan a block. Once done, insert a final Verify Outcomes checkbox with 1 to 3 criteria to confirm success. Make sure to reorder tasks by priority and compress similar steps. If things go wrong, use the Note app's version Restore or Duplicate and split cluttered items into smaller notes. This quick recovery prevents loss and keeps the checklist usable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.